send some boulders. Prepping for sandage. Getting closer.
Good, right?
So close. We're doing it. We're here. Getting the bread on the boulder.
You start like so here.
Yeah.
You start like here, sit.
Yeah.
Right foot, left foot. You hit this here.
Nice.
Put on, you bump up to here. Go. Left toe hook.
Yeah.
You cross to this. And you cross under to this.
Oh.
And then you'll come down to this.
Yeah.
Left heel. And bump up to the slope up.
Holy. Yeah, nice, dude. Yeah. Push, 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 push.
Okay.
Oh, that was good.
That felt good.
Yes, come on. Put that heel in. Come on. Come on.
Oh yes!
Yo! Yo!
Yeah, that's the spot. Yeah. Yeah, pull it. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. Come on, hold it, hold it. Come down.
Oh, dude. That's crazy.
It's pretty wild, right?
Yeah, dude. That was insane, just like having the toe in though.
Yeah.
Oh, yes, dude. Yes. Oh.
Sit forward.
Yeah, I guess so.
My name is Jesse and I climb V13. If I want to downgrade a V9 to a V7, I have every right to do so.
Yeah.
I'm just saying, I can do it and they can get pissy, but I'm going to do it. Oh my god.
No.
That's it, that's it, that's it. Oh.
Dude.
I'm gonna need to come on, Toby, for this.
Come on, Toby. Oh. Oh, dude. There's a way. There is a way. So far. Yes! 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 To get all the way up there. Nice. Come on. Come on. Yes! Come on, come on, come on. Oh, dude!
That's a...
Now I gotta stick that move. It's like a rat race for me to catch up to you.
Yeah. Oh,
You've got all
so
this power
psyched.
behind you and I'm just like, just trying my best here.
Bring the power of psych. That's why I always climb harder when you're here too. It's like, you bring that like naive optimism to everything.
Oh, dude, that time was even closer. rock hold. Let's go.
That's the way. Come on. That's on my.
Yes. Yeah. Oh no! Oh! I don't think the rock's good, dude. Fuck.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, shit. Well,
I can be glued back on. Oh yeah, that still goes.
take 2. Donnelly's. Another boulder. Let's try again. So beautiful. Oh, it's been ages since I've pulled this first move. There's 2 ways that I know of. The dynamic way or the static way. With like a left knee bar.
Yeah. That was good.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah. Come on.
Oh, went over. Oh, that was it.
Sick. Nice, man. I've got you. Easy. That's money.
Dude,
Yeah.
I felt great.
Just come down. Come on. Come on, Toby. That's it.
Oh fuck! I don't know why I went under. I have to go. Jelly's so funny.
Fucking focus and do this.
I'm just
You know-
laughing. I'm laughing at your jelly.
You know, I'm just gonna say this right now. If you were focused, you would have done that.
I'm greased out. No dice. Till we meet again. Mild success. Let's get the fog back home. Slight detour. That's okay. We're getting home.